everyone, today I am going to do my unboxing gift for my 35th birthday. So I bought this today. It's December 18, 2024. So I am going to show you my unboxing day. I am going to share with you my unboxing day. So here's a gift for my birthday. Ta-da! Ching. So this is how it looks. Wow, pretty. This. So I'm going to put a straps. So we are going to proceed to put the straps and remove all the unnecessary stuff inside. And then here's the strap. And the strap must be here and here. This is a detachable strap. You can do sling bag like this also. And then the other one, the bling bling over here. So I'm gonna put it here, the side. Same thing here. Okay. I decided to buy a black color because I have a lot of the brown color. So I have the only one that I bought 2 years ago when it's a new arrival, the new design came out. I bought this. It's already 2 years ago. It's since year 2021. Then this time there is a design of this, the brown color, but the new design came out from the black. So I really like this one since before. The design is just so simple, and you can use it as a pangharabas, like everyday use wherever you go. It's just simple like that. So you can use it every day. It's just so easy. You can use it as two kind, like this. This is how it looks. There is a small imprinted Louis Vuitton here. It's not that look like it's not really look like Ago attention. It's just so simple. So I chose this because I want it to be my everyday use. Not occasionally, but just for everyday use. This one kasi, it's a little bit heavy and too obvious for Louis Vuitton. So I can't use it every day. Parang hindi siya look like bagay just for everyday kasi looks so elegant. But this one, it's pretty and simple, so I can use it every day. There is a lot of imprinted Louis Vuitton here, but not that so obvious to see. So I chose this. Kasi I have the other color of brown. I always use it and I like it, so able to use. So I decided to choose this one, black. So I can do the substitute of my bag. It's either brown or black. So this is how it looks. Happy. That's all for now. Goodbye, everyone. Thank you for all those people who wished me a happy birthday, who gave gift and shared their prayers. Thank you for everyone. Goodbye.